Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into the Google account you want to manage. Once signed in, go straight to Activity. Google.com and pick a time range or specific Google product to inspect. Make sure activity logging is enabled only if you want future records. You can toggle it off to stop tracking. These first steps get you into the right account context and surface the entries you'll act on next, so don't skip choosing filters before you start deleting or exporting. Once done with filters, systematically review entries. Scan timestamps and product labels to understand what Google stores and why. Use the search box and product filter to find specific queries, locations, or YouTube views, then select items in bulk or individually and hit delete. Choose all time, custom range, or specific matches. Make sure to set auto delete if you prefer scheduled cleanup. Pick 3, 18, or 36 months. Also consider exporting data via takeout before mass deletion, so you retain an archive if needed. To finish, confirm deletions and revisit activity controls to ensure web and app, location, and YouTube settings match your privacy intent. After applying changes, sync your devices and clear browser cookies if the activity view seems out of date. Sometimes sync delays or cookie issues prevent updates. If entries still don't reflect changes, sign out and back in, or try a different browser. And remember, use incognito or a separate account for private sessions to prevent new activity from being recorded.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.